Let's go.
Hidup itu memang berat. Ya sudah, jangan dipikul.
On the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything it's art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough.
Put your panties to the side. I'ma make you feel alright.
Kata-kata hari ini remuk.
Just my type, everything just right. B said put it to the left, don't listen to the hype though. Got a cup in your hand, baby sitting but you ain't got no kiss. We ain't leaving till it ain't no more left. Can't see no time on the Rolex. I can tell you a freak gon' show it. Looking for the after party with a go at. Go on the flow like a dough man. Baby you know where to throw that. I said, mommy you remind me of something. You remind me.
Terima kasih banyak, terbaik. Always sama kasih. Thank you, abang-abang. Baby girl. Baby girl. I wanna go back. I wanna go home. Bali it's not good. Fuck friend. Anjay.
Bali is good, Bali is good. Thank you, my friend.
Baby girl. Kata-kata hari ini aku. Sakit kaki. Terbakar. Sanur. Kata-kata hari ini Sanur.
Kata-kata hari ini apa ya? Ada Sanur di Sanur kemarin. Sekarang ada Sanur di Denpasar. Murah Rai, terima kasih. Kamu.
Oi, kata-kata.
Habis sudah kita tukar nasib Sanur hari ini. Habis selesai sudah dia kembali ke rutinitas